poor in spite of having money. Don't you know? Then I'm here for you. Every single time you earn money, you think to spend all the money you have earned. So let me give you a cure for this serious problem. Every time you earn 10 rupees, put aside one coin, or in other words, save 10% of your earning. As you don't make a budget of your expenditure, that is because what you are converted to a man with a lean purse. You have to make a budget of your expenditure. Remember, the budget will consist ninth of your earning or 90%. The third problem is you don't put the 10% to earn for you. Because you always work for money, why not let money work for you? You should create some asset with your savings. If you have done all of the above steps but still you are not owning a thick purse, so let me show your mistake, guys. Your asset. Is it really is, or it looks like as an asset, but it's a liability? Are you putting your hard-earned money in a hollow dip that will return you nothing? You should look at your money, where you are putting it. Make them equal to dwelling profitable investment. Suppose you spend your money for making a two-storied for living, but one is enough for you. Then you can put into lever the other roof that it can earn for you. If you are only thinking about your now time jobs will remain forever, don't you think you are in a wrong way? It will not remain forever, and you shouldn't think about it also. You should think about your future income that will secure your next life cycle. Why you think you will be kept in your work or you will get another new job? In this continual changing world, you only have to focus how to increase your ability. An opportunity will call you. Come and grab me, baby. What you are doing, do it with your 120%.